Alright, just the old Minecrafter, Sir Awesome J here. Today, we're going to be playing Minecraft. Yeah, a lot of you didn't know I even played it at all, and yeah. So today, we're going to go in a cave. I know, I'm in a world with a lot of progress, but, yeah. Here we are, got a potion of night vision. Sorry, I know this is considered cheating, but I used commands. So don't get mad at me. Horse, please. Alright. Don't mind if it gets laggy sometimes. Oh, wait, gold? What's it doing, like, right here? Well, don't mind if I do. Don't mind if I mine it. Crazy. I'm gonna go for all the gold, I guess. So not only will I have a diamond, golden hoe, I'll have golden supplies, which they do not last very long. Any more gold? It's like a trail. It's like leading me. Ooh, I wonder where it goes. Maybe diamonds? Oh boy, if it is diamonds, I'm gonna be the happiest person alive. And there goes the music. You may not hear it. That's okay. It literally is a trail of this stuff. Did the leprechaun make this world or something? Boy. Still mining away at this stuff. I'll bet by now my golden pickaxe would probably be broken if I even had one. Look at me, my Y level is at 33 already. If this thing goes down to Y coordinate 11 and I see diamonds, oh boy, am I in luck. Yeah, the leprechaun definitely gave me this world. Who cares about coal? I mean, sure, I'll use it in my furnace, but let's stick to the mining. Jeez, that's a lot of gold. This cave is a little bit small, I guess. I don't think, for those who are claustrophobic, please do not watch this. Are you kidding me? Okay, a trail of gold leads me to this redstone and lapis. I feel like something's happening here. I feel like if I mine behind all this... No freaking way. No way. Diamonds. Emerald? I get to trade with villagers now. More lapis. Okay, I could use that. We literally got flipping diamonds. Okay, I think that's all, but is there more behind this? Yep. Oh yeah, the leprechaun definitely gave me this. Why is there just a 1x1 hole there? Oh my gosh! How lucky is this cave? Oh, and make sure to look at these coordinates right here, so that you can, maybe teleport to this place. If you just turn your cheats on in Minecraft, which, yeah, I know, it's not, it upsets a lot of people, so I'd rather not, but either you could just copy these coordinates if you want to find this, and yeah. Just, oh my word, how many diamonds? More emerald? Just look at this. I already have 9, I'm on level 10. Oh, there's so many more emerald. Oh my gosh. No way, no. I'm so speechless. I'm just speechless right now. I don't even know what to say. Wow. Look at all the gold I collected. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. I'm 17 diamonds for this, and I'm gonna look back in the inventory after all this. More diamonds. Okay, redstone. Yeah, I could make it to make some cool creations. Have you noticed when you mine it in Pocket Edition, you'll see that the opposite color is literally of redstone is the literal color of diamond. Oh, some more I need to collect. Just wow. Oh my word. I am so happy right now. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go back up. Okay, this is crazy. This is so crazy. Well, anyways, I think that was spelunking, mining in a cave. Well, that was it, everybody. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Ooh, more gold. And turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my content. Bye.